Hi there, let me introduce myself. I am Ada Sadecini and I am an apprentice to the multimedia production technologies in charge of the development of the website of the company MD Belleza Accesorios. And today I'm going to present the final proposal of the multimedia project. The presentation is divided into four parts. I will start by giving a brief description of the project, then I will define the objects and intention that are had with it. Next, I will focus on what type of project it is, the design and style it handles, in addition to some technical details that will give us a deeper idea of the project. And finally, I will show the prototype of the project that has been elaborated in the web editor. I'll start with some general information on the project. The productive project development of the website of the MDBS Accesorios enterprise consists of the creation and development of a website where the company can use it as a means of presenting and marketing the portfolio of its products while communicating with potential customers in an easy and intuitive way using the different tools offered, so that customers users can get to know and get closer to the brand. That is the general picture for the project. Now let's look at what are the objectives and intentions that are intended to be achieved. As mentioned a little earlier, the main idea when creating the web page is that the clients and consumers visualize the products, advertise videos, make purchases, and communicate with the brand both online and offline, where there is an organized, intuitive, and dynamic content that captures the attention of visitors to the venture. Now let's move on to a deeper look at the project. The multimedia project is an e-commerce type site because it is an ideal platform to digitally transform the company using tools that depend the practice that it is possible to have a web design that adapts to what you want, an attractive and functional design that provides the ease and confidence necessary in the process of exploring the site, given the possibility of preserving the style of the company, but adjusting to what it takes to advance in the market, the only market. Then the project O style could be defined, which will be a mix between the classic and the modern because it is made up of the ideals of or principles that define entrepreneurship, but also by new concepts that allow reaching a wider audience since characteristics are included that are of interest to all types of people. Grading in this way the advantage of developing a complete product where each aspect fulfills a specific and important functions, but which together provides a well-found unity to entire project. So let's look at some technical details now to learn more about the project. As this project that is being developed is a productive project of the SENA with an educational purpose, the following data are an approximate of what a multimedia project will really represent in the market. How long does it take? A project of this category will take a minimum of 2 months to complete, divided in between the design, workshop, and production time that it will employ for a good development. How much will it cost? To achieve a value, all the costs that could be involved are included. In that case, the fixed and variable costs are present that represent general costs that are considered in any project. And on the other hand, the cost of the hours dedicated to each activity, hours of design, workshop, and production, in this way has the operational value that will be 2,216,000, according to the Colombian currency. Now this figure is added to 35% that represent the profit, and we will obtain the final value of the development of the project for the client, which could be 2,991,600, according to the Colombian currency. And how far will it go? Honestly, with the project, we want to be able to do a good job where all the client's expectations are met in addition to the objectives that had been set. Develop a website valued not only for its design but also for its functionality, which is of great advantage and benefit to those involved. To finish, let's look at the prototype of the proposal and how it is made. This prototype was designed with the with platform. The site contains certain divisions. First is the home page where you can find general information about the brand. Second is the MD products page, which has a submenu that directs to a section where all the products, as well as page dedicated to each type of users. In third place, there is the UX page that offers information about the brand, such as the visions, missions, and history of the company. In four, we have the content contacts page where you can find the location of the store and the brand's social networks, in addition to a short form that can be filled out by those who are interested in some information about the business. And finally, we have the page UX, which is an English version of the description of the undertaking. This is thanks for your kind intention.